Salesforce Commerce Cloud online training by real-time expert. Salesforce Demandware, now known as Salesforce Commerce Cloud, is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create engaging, personalized shopping experiences across all digital channels. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities designed to streamline the entire e-commerce process, from product merchandising to order fulfillment. At its core, Salesforce Commerce Cloud empowers businesses to build and manage their online storefronts efficiently. It provides robust features for catalog management, allowing merchants to organize and showcase their products effectively. With built-in content management capabilities, users can easily create and customize web pages, product listings, and promotional banners to deliver compelling brand experiences. Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers a multitude of benefits for businesses looking to enhance their e-commerce capabilities and drive growth. Some of the key advantages include: comprehensive e-commerce solution. Salesforce Commerce Cloud provides a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities to manage all aspects of e-commerce, from product merchandising and order management to customer engagement and analytics. This integrated approach streamlines operations and enhances efficiency. Personalization and customer engagement. The platform leverages advanced AI-driven algorithms to analyze customer behavior and preferences, enabling businesses to deliver personalized shopping experiences. This includes tailored product recommendations, targeted promotions, and dynamic pricing strategies, which can significantly improve conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Omnichannel capabilities. Salesforce Commerce Cloud enables businesses to create seamless, omnichannel experiences by integrating online and offline touchpoints. This allows customers to interact with the brand across various channels, including web, mobile, social media, and in-store, ensuring consistency and continuity throughout their journey. Scalability and flexibility. The platform is designed to scale alongside the needs of the business, whether it's handling a few hundred orders per month or millions. Its flexible architecture allows for easy customization and adaptation to changing requirements, ensuring that businesses can grow and evolve without constraints. Integration with Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce Commerce Cloud seamlessly integrates with other Salesforce products, such as Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Salesforce Service Cloud. This enables businesses to synchronize customer data and interactions across multiple channels, providing a unified view of the customer and facilitating cross-functional collaboration. Robust analytics and insights. The platform offers powerful analytics and reporting capabilities, providing businesses with valuable insights into customer behavior, sales performance, and marketing effectiveness. This data-driven approach enables informed decision-making and optimization of e-commerce strategies for maximum impact. Reliability and security. As a cloud-based solution, Salesforce Commerce Cloud ensures high reliability and security, with built-in safeguards to protect against data breaches and ensure compliance with industry regulations. This gives businesses peace of mind knowing that their e-commerce operations are in safe hands. Salesforce Commerce Cloud finds applications across a wide range of industries, enabling businesses to enhance their online presence, drive revenue, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Some key industry applications include retail. In the retail sector, Salesforce Commerce Cloud helps businesses create engaging online storefronts, manage product catalogs, and optimize the shopping experience. Retailers can leverage personalized recommendations, targeted promotions, and seamless omnichannel capabilities to attract and retain customers while maximizing sales. Fashion and apparel. Fashion brands benefit from Salesforce Commerce Cloud's ability to showcase their products effectively and deliver personalized shopping experiences tailored to individual preferences and styles. The platform supports features like visual merchandising, size and fit recommendations, and integration with social media, allowing fashion retailers to stay ahead in a highly competitive market. Consumer goods. Consumer goods companies utilize Salesforce Commerce Cloud to expand their online distribution channels, reach new customers, and drive direct-to-consumer sales. By leveraging data-driven insights and personalized marketing campaigns, brands can strengthen customer relationships and foster brand loyalty while optimizing their e-commerce operations. Electronics and technology. In the electronics and technology industry, Salesforce Commerce Cloud helps businesses streamline product launches, manage complex product catalogs, and deliver a seamless buying experience across multiple devices and channels. Features like product configurators, ratings and reviews, and integration with customer service tools enable electronics retailers to drive sales and support customer needs effectively. Hospitality and travel. Hospitality and travel companies leverage Salesforce Commerce Cloud to offer online booking and reservation capabilities, sell travel packages and ancillary services, and enhance the overall customer journey. The platform's ability to handle complex pricing structures, manage inventory in real time, and provide personalized recommendations helps businesses in the hospitality and travel sector increase bookings and drive revenue. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Healthcare and pharmaceutical companies utilize Salesforce Commerce Cloud to facilitate online ordering of medical supplies, equipment, and prescription drugs. The platform ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, provides secure transaction processing, and enables seamless integration with healthcare systems, improving efficiency and convenience for both providers and patients. B2B commerce. In the B2B space, Salesforce Commerce Cloud enables manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors to digitize their sales processes, streamline order management, and provide self-service portals for customers. The platform supports complex pricing negotiations, contract management, and account-specific catalogs, empowering B2B sellers to drive growth and efficiency in their e-commerce operations. Overall, Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers versatile industry applications, helping businesses across various sectors optimize their e-commerce strategies, increase sales, and deliver superior customer experiences in today's digital landscape. Several well-known companies and brands across various industries utilize Salesforce Commerce Cloud for their e-commerce operations. Here are some examples. Adidas. The multinational sportswear manufacturer and retailer uses Salesforce Commerce Cloud to power its online store, offering a wide range of athletic footwear, apparel, and accessories to customers worldwide. L'Oréal. As one of the world's largest cosmetics and beauty companies, L'Oréal utilizes Salesforce Commerce Cloud to sell its extensive portfolio of skincare, hair care, makeup, and fragrance products through digital channels. Uniqlo. The global apparel retailer relies on Salesforce Commerce Cloud to provide an engaging online shopping experience for its customers, offering high-quality and affordable clothing for men, women, and children. Columbia Sportswear. Known for its outdoor apparel and equipment, Columbia Sportswear leverages Salesforce Commerce Cloud to facilitate e-commerce sales, allowing customers to purchase performance-driven products for outdoor activities. Burberry. The luxury fashion brand utilizes Salesforce Commerce Cloud to deliver a premium online shopping experience, offering its iconic trench coats, fashion accessories, and fragrance collections to discerning customers worldwide. GoPro. The action camera manufacturer utilizes Salesforce Commerce Cloud to sell its rugged and versatile cameras, accessories, and subscription services through its online store, catering to adventure enthusiasts and content creators. The North Face, another prominent outdoor apparel and equipment retailer, the North Face, relies on Salesforce Commerce Cloud to power its e-commerce platform, providing customers with access to innovative and sustainable products for exploration and adventure. Puma, the athletic footwear and apparel brand, utilizes Salesforce Commerce Cloud to offer its extensive range of products, including sneakers, activewear, and accessories, to customers seeking performance and style. Ethan Allen, a renowned furniture manufacturer and retailer, employs Salesforce Commerce Cloud to facilitate online sales of its high-quality furniture, home decor, and interior design services. Customers can browse through a wide range of styles and customize their selections to suit their preferences. Lush, a cosmetics retailer known for its handmade, ethically sourced beauty products, utilizes Salesforce Commerce Cloud to power its online store. Customers can explore Lush's range of skincare, hair care, bath, and body products, as well as access helpful information and resources on sustainability and ethical sourcing practices. These are just a few examples of companies that leverage Salesforce Commerce Cloud to drive their e-commerce strategies and deliver exceptional digital shopping experiences to customers worldwide. Job opportunities. The job market for Salesforce Commerce Cloud professionals is characterized by steady growth, fueled by the increasing importance of e-commerce in today's digital economy. Businesses across various industries, including retail, consumer goods, manufacturing, and more, are actively seeking talent with expertise in Salesforce Commerce Cloud to develop, implement, and manage their e-commerce strategies. Professionals proficient in Salesforce Commerce Cloud are in high demand for a range of roles, including developers, skilled in customizing and extending the functionality of Salesforce Commerce Cloud through coding and development. Administrators, responsible for configuring and managing the Salesforce Commerce Cloud platform to ensure optimal performance and usability. Consultants, provide strategic guidance and support to organizations in leveraging Salesforce Commerce Cloud to achieve their business objectives. Architects, design and implement scalable and efficient e-commerce solutions using Salesforce Commerce Cloud architecture and best practices. The salary expectations for Salesforce Commerce Cloud professionals can vary depending on several factors such as experience, skill level, geographic location, and the size and industry of the employing organization. On average, entry-level positions for Salesforce Commerce Cloud professionals in India can start from around 4 lakh rupees to 8 lakh rupees per annum. With a few years of experience and demonstrated proficiency in Salesforce Commerce Cloud development, administration, or consulting, professionals can expect to earn salaries ranging from 8 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees per annum. For mid-level positions with more experience and specialized skills, such as Salesforce Commerce Cloud developers or consultants, salaries can range from 15 lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees per annum. Senior level roles, including Salesforce Commerce Cloud architects or project managers, can command higher salaries, typically ranging from 30 lakh rupees to 60 lakh rupees per annum or even higher for top-tier positions in leading organizations. It's important to note that these salary ranges are approximate and can vary based on factors such as the specific job role, certifications, additional skills, and negotiation abilities of the individual. Additionally, salaries may differ between different cities in India, with metropolitan areas like Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi often offering higher compensation due to the higher cost of living and demand for tech talent. At Proexcellency, we understand that selecting the right training provider for your Salesforce Commerce Cloud journey is a crucial decision. Here's why choosing Proexcellency sets you on the path to success. Expertise. Our team comprises seasoned professionals with extensive experience in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. From developers to consultants, our instructors bring real-world insights and practical knowledge to every training session, ensuring you receive top-tier education tailored to your needs. Comprehensive curriculum. Our training programs are meticulously designed to cover all aspects of Salesforce Commerce Cloud, equipping you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your role. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your expertise, our courses cater to learners of all levels. Hands-on learning. At Proexcellency, we believe in learning by doing. Our interactive, hands-on approach allows you to apply theoretical concepts in practical scenarios, giving you the confidence and proficiency to tackle real-world challenges effectively. Proven track record. With a track record of success and satisfied clients, Proexcellency has established itself as a trusted leader in Salesforce Commerce Cloud training. Join the thousands of professionals who have chosen Proexcellency to elevate their skills and propel their careers forward. When you choose Proexcellency for your Salesforce Commerce Cloud training needs, you're choosing excellence, expertise, and a commitment to your success. Take the first step towards unlocking your full potential with Proexcellency today. Contact us for more information.